Hey y'all, I'm tired. And I failed as a YouTuber again. So my cousin came over and changed 2 tires. Put a set of bearings in the back tire. 2 guys hanging out, working on stuff. We ended up doing more working and less filming. Yeah, it is. Get to working and talking, and before you know it, heck, he was done with part of the project. What am I going to do? Undo it and then refilm it? Got a new Shinko 999 on there. And a new Shinko 999 on the back. Probably not the best idea, but you know, it'll work. Now I didn't wear them out. I think I was running them under pressure. Let me show you. So I don't know if y'all can see it. See how that's higher than that piece right there, and that piece is lower than that piece right there. There, right there. That's touching the ground, but that's not. 2 different heights. Well, that's called cupping. The tire itself ain't bad, but look at it. You can see it. See right there? The high spot, low spot. See how the shadow disappears like right there? But you roll it back, look at it growing. That shadow. Yeah, that ain't good, y'all. I mean, you know, I was just barely on the wear bars. You see my chicken strip right here. It's out there on the edge. It's a little bit more than a thumb width, but it's cupping real bad. And front tire starting to do the same thing. Now I'm pretty sure I check my air pressure really often. I mean, not every day. I don't have a TPMS sensor on there. You know, I got to check it manually. I got to get down there and look at it, which is why I noticed it was cupping. But I noticed they were cupping a while back. I had to save some money for some tires. I want to go ahead and do them both. And I told myself the next time that the rear tire come off, put new bearings in it. All right, we got the front tire done. Now we're gonna do the back tire. But the last time having tires done since last year when the bearing went out, I told myself the next time that back tire comes off, we're gonna change the bearings in it. Cool, no problem. Now the right thing to do is go online and go to Jim's Tool and buy the proper tool to remove said bearing. We're not gonna do that though. The next best thing would be to, you know, take it to somewhere that does this professionally. We're not going to do that either. So what we are going to do, see the groove there? That's for your ABS. Make sure that it's to the inside. You take a 1/2 inch extension, passes right through the bearing. Doesn't help you out a bit, right? However, if you weld a couple of nubs to the inside, now the extension will not go through the bearing. And you can wallop that sucker right on out, pull your spacer out, flip it over from the other side, use a larger bolt, knock that one out. That is not the right way to do that. That is not the right way. But, you know, that's the way we done it. And then we hand balanced them, you know, put them on a couple of jack stands and rotated it and look for the low side and mess with it. And if we didn't do such a good job, and I'll take the valve stems out and we'll do it the hard way and put us a put a few balance beads in there. And you can get them in there through the valve stem, but it ain't no fun. Just cruising through the neighborhood. I like them so far. Well, I hadn't really noticed how squared off that back tire had got. Those speed corners are a whole lot more confidence inspiring with a nice round tire. So far, it feels like our balance job did pretty good. I mean, we're only cruising 45. Then I changed the tires on my kids' go-kart. Mama ain't gonna be happy about that. But I couldn't get them mounted up. So I guess I'm gonna need a cheetah tank or some high energy starting assist. You know, rapid expansion of gas as you work. This is not the way I intended this video to go. Honestly, I probably could have got 3 videos out of it. Could have done a how to remove and install the front tire, and how to remove and install the rear tire, and how to remove and install bearings. But I didn't. Just, you know, hanging out with my homeboy. Sorry. If you're going to BBB this year, you got to stop by Flatheads Rally Point. Everything that I'm seeing looking like it's going to be a blast. Of course, we'll all see you at the Cat House, Switchback Bar, Rogers. Ain't no telling where we're going to be. Y'all come find us out there. We'll see y'all in a couple of weeks. Y'all be safe out there. Take care of one another. Or nobody else.